Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'm going to go over Smart Offers with Bold Upsell. Smart Offers helps to reduce your workload by fully automating the offer creation process for you. Smart Offers leverage AI and your store's historical order data to take the guesswork out of creating the best converting offers. Using 60 days of historical data on your store and AI, Bold Upsell identifies your top selling products to curate smart offers for your store. These offers are created in a few seconds up to a minute, depending on the number of products on your store. With that being said, let's go through the setup process together. From within the Bold Upsell admin, click Settings, then Smart Offer Settings. Enable Smart Offers by moving the toggle to the right next to Allow Bold to automatically recommend offers. In the Smart Offers Approval Method section, there are two options you can choose from: Automatic Activation and Review Smart Offers. Automatic Activation activates smart offers on your store as soon as they are created, while Review Smart Offers allows you to review your smart offers once they are created, allowing you to manually activate your choice of smart offers. Enable whichever option works best for you. In the Excluded Product section, you can exclude products, preventing these products from appearing as smart offers. If your store is currently password protected, you can enter your storefront password to ensure smart offers work correctly when previewing your store. Click Save at the bottom of the page, then click Confirm. This concludes the setup required for smart offers. After saving the page, a sync is started to retrieve smart offers based on the last 60 days of historical data on your store. While your offers are generating, it is safe to leave the page. Once the sync has been completed, a table of smart offers will appear on the Smart Offers page. Each row in the table represents a smart offer and provides information about each offer. Starting from the left, the internal name that Bold Upsell assigns each offer is displayed. Under Product is the trigger product that is selected in the smart offer, along with the offer product under Recommendation. The location shows you where the offer will be displayed on your storefront, and Date Created is a date stat that indicates when the smart offer was created. Clicking the ellipsis under Actions next to each smart offer provides you with some options. The first option, titled Retry Smart Offer, allows you to regenerate the offer, which replaces the offer with a new offer. This changes both the product and recommendation products with another from your store. Lock-in Smart Offer allows smart offers to replace the offer if it's not performing well each time a weekly batch is completed in Bold Upsell. Every smart offer that is created is unlocked by default, which means they will get replaced if they aren't performing well. If you would like to lock a smart offer, click Lock in Smart Offer. Edit allows you to make changes to the smart offer, such as the title or description, or adding more offer products. Report brings you directly to the Reports page in Bold Upsell, allowing you to see how the smart offer is performing. Lastly, Delete allows you to delete the smart offer. The toggle in the last column allows you to activate or deactivate each smart offer. When the toggle is set to the left position, the offer is deactivated, and when set to the right position, the offer is activated. Now that we have some smart offers activated in Bold Upsell, let's review some of these offers on the storefronts. Navigate to your storefronts, locate a trigger product that is being used in a smart offer, and add the product into the cart. After adding the product, the upsell modal should appear similar to my example. And that's all there is to it. For more information on smart offers, check out our help center at supports.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.